So the next question goes, Shalom Kulav. Kulav mentioned women walk with heels on Shabbos. I wonder if one should wear heels in general. It does not seem like a modest way of dressing.
Exactly. Yes. I mean, even the small heels, but it's of course it's not modest. Of course it's not modest. Okay, but do all of the women are modest? Not. So I was walking to show just recently, and I see the guy from our show. He's one of the top guys, right? And a wife with a skirt. He's a grandfather, great grandfather. I don't know, like he's 70. I don't know, late 70s. I guess that's my guess. Right? So and wives is going in a like not a mini skirt, but for sure above the knee. So when I like, of course, I watch the ground. Of course I watch the traffic, but I start like when I realized that it's him. I start like turning to go on a different street, and then he somehow turn around and saw me. I don't know, like, and he started yelling, "No, come here! I want to introduce to my wife." So you understand? So I made some excuses, but does not like he's like great grandfather. Like how old you should be to be great grandfather, right? So and his crazy wife, like she's in this short skirt. You understand? So I will try to look at the trees, so the squirrels and this and that. So of course, she does not cover the hair. That's normal, unfortunately. Okay, so that's we have to like avoid all of these things, right? And then like when you're over friendly with somebody, the next thing they're going to invite you for Shabbos. So you always have to like you have to have like always have excuse why you cannot come, right? Because you don't know the atmosphere. So like a long time ago, me and my wife, when somebody invited us to house, and this guy, and he's a holy tzaddik, so he's trying to make a care on everybody, but his care of just feed them, well, the best meal, and speak by Torah 3.5 seconds because they annoyed with Torah. You understand? And once he invited us, and we said, okay, let's come, and he forgot to tell us, and I would say no, he invited other people, and these people were not dressed modestly, so it was very uncomfortable situation. You understand? So just because you're invited does not mean it's a good idea to come to go there. So and for you to stop, like stand up in the middle of the meal and say that's enough, I'm going home. Also, like it would be like insulting to the host. So but we always have to prepare ourselves that we might come to somebody's house and it's going to be not somebody like not properly dressed. Okay. So basically prepare, like play out all the situations. What are you going to say? Don't if you start thinking, so it's understandable that you make an excuse. But if you like off the cuff answer, so there is no problem. Okay, what else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.